down in the sun. Almost every stage requires the cloth to be washed with water and dried in sunlight. Nowadays, the used water is treated for recycling or charged into underground. Bagru is known for its mastery in the special printing technique of resist style called Dabu. Its essence lies in printing with specially prepared Dabu paste and then dyeing the fabrics. The prepared cloth is printed with Dabu paste by wooden blocks. Thereafter, the printed cloth is dyed with natural color. This results in resisting dyeing in the portions which were hidden, and a printed effect is created in the fabrics. Each family follows its own secret of making Dabu paste. In general, Dabu is made by mixing lime dissolved in water, natural gum locally called bedhan, or the wheat flour spoiled by worms, and left overnight. It is then strained into liquid paste which is used for printing. The cloth is stretched on the table and blocks are selected to print designs on the cloth. There are 3 types of Dabu depending on the final result and the color required. Kaligar Dabu, that is processed only once. Dolidar Dabu, that has little more of gum, thus better adhesive strength and can withstand about 2 trips to the dye vats. Gawabali Dabu has oil and gawa seed powder added to the paste, which gives strength to the cloth to go through repeated dyeing. As Dabu printing is completed, sawdust is sprinkled over the cloth before the prints dyes completely to avoid sticking with each other. Dyeing process varies depending on the color required. Bagru is known for its green shade that is acquired through 2 traditional methods. In the first method, the cloth is sent to the indigo vats, dipped, taken out and dried in the sun. It is then rinsed in a pre-boiled and cooled solution of pomegranate peel and water that is prepared a day before. It is washed again and then rinsed in a solution of alum and water to fix the color and also for removing Dabu paste. As the cloth dries, the Bagru print appears. The other method is known as Potai. In this process, a paste is made of pomegranate peel, turmeric, and sesame oil. The Dabu printed fabric is held tightly, and with a piece of woolen cloth, the artisan generously applies the paste on the cloth. The fabric is then dried, dipped in a solution of alum and water. Quantity of alum varies according to the strength of the Dabu. A fabric not treated with alum solution produces prints blurred and shabby. Bagru print is also famous for the use of 2 major colors, a red color outline called Begar and a black color called Shiai. For making the red outline, alum, geru and natural gum are mixed together with water to make a paste. As a type of foam forms, ghee and oil is added to it. This is called red Began color, and it is an important part of Bagru printing.